Hello mga kasing, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Today, pupunta tayo sa Marikina Town Center Football Field. One day tournament lang naman. First time natin maglalaro guys dito. Check natin yung quality ng field. Nabi ko lang mga kasama ko. Yun, first game na pala eh. Buti second game kami, makaka-warm up kami matino. Amen! Okay, game 1, makapakainit. First game done, it's a hot game. Tabla. Wala masyadong highlight. Good start. Game 2 against Meralco. Let's go. Game 2 done. Panalo 4-2. Nag-goalan lang tayo sa Oleva. B1 pa rin. Nice game. Game 3. Good game. Good hustle ah. Good job boys. Anong RK kayo? College? UP. UP. Good game po. Thank you. Defeat pero could go kahit kanino. Yeah, we almost made it but breaks of the game. Okay, last game of the group stage. Then after this we'll see if we will qualify for the playoffs. Top 4 teams will go up for the semis and finals. Keep. Nice. Let's go, panalo. Thanks Josh. Good hold ah, ganda ng hold mo. Good job guys, good job. So we've won our final game. That should secure us no? Sa top 4 and then we just wait for the placing. Semifinals. Okay, we're now at semifinals versus Meralco FC. Bakbaka na. Whatever happens, happen. Right foot! Keep. Ako na dito. Cover. On to the finals. Final score 2-0 win. Last game, finals game against Architecture FC. Good luck to everyone.
Oh, naman na yan.
Yes sir.
Babait naman yung mga tropa nating referee.
Congratulations. You have won one paper. Our next prize.
Games down, Hartford game. We got one back. Pero di enough for the win ng kabila. So it's a good game. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know.
Ganda ng performance mga ito, pe.
Sakto lang.
Ako dito, kala ko mag-New Year ka eh. Hanggang dun eh.
Asan sa top sa highlights na baka may makita.
Oo, yung mga suplex mo ilalagay ko yan. Congrats Paps, ano masasabi mo sa ating tournament na to?
Wala, ginalayan ko.